So there comes a time for many investors when you want to close down an investment account that you have open. This could be for a number of reasons, including needing the cash for something else, or just wanting to transfer to a different brokerage, or maybe you're making a large purchase like buying a house and you want to withdraw your funds in order to do that. Well, if you're using the Webull app, this is going to be a pretty seamless process. So in this video, we'll outline exactly how to do that. Now, depending on what your goals are, it might actually make more sense for you to watch this video where we detail how to transfer your stocks out of Webull. But if you do actually want to close your account, we'll walk you through that process right now. So the first step to closing your Webull account is to sell all of your assets. So you're going to have to go into each individual asset you own, all of your stocks, all of your cryptocurrencies, and you're going to need to sell those to get the cash into your Webull account. From there, you'll need to withdraw that money from your Webull account and move it back into your bank so that your Webull account is free of any stocks, cryptocurrencies, or cash. Then, once all that money has been moved out of your account, the last thing to do is to delete your Webull account. This is a relatively simple process that only requires 3 steps. First, you go to the menu within the Webull app, then you'll click on your profile, then you'll scroll down to find the delete account button. Once you click on that delete account button, you're going to confirm your decision, and just like that, your account is now gone. Now, it's important to note here that your past investment activity is going to be stored on Webull's servers for tax purposes, okay? Because the IRS does need to know whether you made money, whether you lost money from investing this year, so that they can tax you appropriately. However, no new events will take place on your account going forward. Now, if you're looking for a place to go after Webull, if you want to keep investing but it's not on the Webull app, one of our top suggestions is going to be Robinhood. They are the original free trading app. They have a much simpler interface than Webull, and many investors do prefer both that simple interface and then just how easy the app makes it in order to invest in different stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, or options contracts. However, if you've already tried Robinhood and you're not much into it, we have a video over here that's going to compare all of the top free investing apps so that you can make the best decision and find the one that is going to suit you. So if you're looking for a new app to use, check out that video and we'll see you over there.